Not this type of proxy server, but proxy servers as in, can you go to block proxy sites?
Oh,
That's a good question.
possibly. They
We
may,
have a category for proxy sites. It's probably under something like, there's a whole bunch of education, marketing, social media, peer-to-peer, cloud. I don't know if it'd be peer-to-peer. Let's see what categories we got. We got more here. These are the common ones that everyone uses. If not, I will go and find out. So we have a list of proxy sites. You can also block unknown. So there is something called proxies and VPNs anonymizers.
Boom.
There you go.
Nice.
You can add that as a block.
Bunch of other ones. Does Web Control System do any sort of malicious scanning like Microsoft Safe Links or things of that nature?
So the Web Control will tell you if it's going to malicious sites. We don't scan the link as such, but we will go to malicious sites. Oh, actually, that's kind of true and kind of not true. So when you go to something uncategorized, we do a scan of the site then. So what you can, and typically automatically we'll tell you if we'll block first, but within a few minutes we'll either allow it or deny it, and then it goes to a human for a manual review. So if you were to create a policy called uncategorized, and you were to pick the category unclassified. So
now, just while you're on that page, we're going to answer another question, which is Rachel asks, can web filtering be done by user or is it by workstation?
You can do by user, group,
Perfect.
workstation. So the policy applies to a device, and you can also apply them to DNS servers. So we have the ability here to set up DNS servers. You can go into here and basically you put in your office IP, type in your IP here, and then then you redirect your DNS to our DNS servers, and it will tell you if there's a problem. It will tell you if something's blocked. Now, bear in mind, when you're using DNS, it's just going to say, this is blocked. You can't do a request because it doesn't know who it is.
It's for unmanaged devices, really.
Yeah, we have it on our phones network.
Yeah.
And actually, it bit me when I came in here because this laptop was for some reason connected to the phone's network, this demo laptop, and I was like, why is it not giving me an option to request? And it turns out. So you can add DNS, and when you apply your policies, you can have different policies for DNS servers. So obviously, if you're using DNS filtering, we don't know the username, but if you're using a device, we do.
A couple of other ones. So somebody's asked, does Web Control require the browser extension to block things? Shorter answer is no. It's just to make the user experience better. Anonymous attendee has asked, is there a default deny in Web Control? So every site would be blocked and then we would need to allow a category.
So when you go into your categories here, there's one called unclassified. So you can add this category. Say deny, end user experience, allow the user to request, and then I should definitely put that at the bottom because otherwise that's going to block everything. So I'm going to put that into policy ID 31. I'll just say 100 just to make, I should have said at the bottom when I created it. There you go. So you could do that. It will block everything that is unclassified. That's really good for schools.